Our second example on proving trig identities is again taken from an AdMath past paper question. It comes from the Additional Mathematics for GCE O-Level syllabus 4038, paper 1, question number 8b. In this question, we are required to show that cos of pi on 3 plus x plus sine of pi on 6 plus x is equivalent to cosine x. So again, if we look at the left hand side, cos of pi on 3 plus x, we can see that that is of the form cos of a plus b. Similarly, sine of pi on 6 plus x is of the form sine of a plus b. In other words, we must be familiar with our compound angle formulae in order to simplify the left hand side. Anytime you're going into an AdMath exam or an A-level pure math exam, be prepared to face a trig proof. The question may be for 4 marks, it might be for 10 marks, it does not matter. You are almost certain to face a question on this topic. So you must be prepared. And when I say be prepared, you must know the trig identities, you must know the double angle formulae and the compound angle formulae. You cannot go into an exam not knowing these things. Furthermore, for the advanced level pure math students, you will also be required to know the half angle formulae. Now, starting with the left hand side, we know that cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Applying that to cos of pi on 3 plus x, we get cos pi on 3 cos x minus sine pi on 3 sine x. Now taking, so sine of pi on 6 plus x is of the form sine of a plus b, and we know that sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Let us now apply that. Sine pi on 6 cos x plus cos pi on 6 sine x. Simplifying, we know that cos pi on 3, that's like cos of 60, which is a half. So this will be a half cos x minus sine pi on 3, that is like sine of 60, which is root 3 on 2, minus root 3 on 2 sine x plus sine pi on 6 cos x. Sine of pi on 6 is like sine of 30, which is a half. So this will be a half cos x plus cos pi on 6 sine x, that is like cos of 30, which is root 3 on 2 sine x. Now I'm seeing minus root 3 on 2 sine x and a plus root 3 onto sine x, so they are going to cancel each other, and what I'm going to end up with is a half cos x plus a half cos x, which is going to give me cos x. And there I have proven the identity. So cos of pi on 3 plus x plus sine of pi on 6 plus x is equivalent to cosine x. And in order for me to have proven that, I had to have known my compound angle formulae, cos of a plus b and also sine of a plus b, and I had to be familiar with things such as cos pi on 3, sine pi on 3, sine pi on 6, and cos pi on 6. As long as I'm familiar with these things, proving this identity is a piece of cake.